when because I say, Curly, I'm going to address you like a 50-year-old lady. Now, I hear from Curly mouth, them say she shouldn't step to Samanta. Now, Curly, I don't know if you don't value your life or what, but do you know, say, let's say them with a search her and she not go in at the club, and you take up a buckle, could have make the people them lose their license and go out that door. Do you know, say, if Samantha did have a weapon in her car out that door, me I tell you about the Dutch law, me don't know about America. Did have a weapon in her, if it did illegal, if she did have that, the only thing she over here, the only thing Samantha would have got jail for if you have one illegal firearm in her hand, in her position. If you did ever over here and Samantha have a weapon in her car and she go out of the club and you go out there with one buckle, Curly, you that you me say, Curly, you're wrong in all angles. May I try for so forgive you. Curly, first of all, for you go in a people's space. And it go back to the old lady to Ione last night to the pastor. The pastor go up in her face and you feel threatened, you're entitled. Stay your grounds. Curly, you do not start a fight if you cannot win a fight, and you went there because you have up the girl from what had transpired with you and her, and you step to the girl. If that girl did have a firearm out in her car and you go out there with that the buckle, she could have sprayed you. That the judge will look if a one time in pump you, if a one time and nothing. The only thing if it's illegal should I get client feet. That's the only thing. You go up. And you know what? Samantha is a young girl, could have been your daughter. This is why I say I will not be arguing with none of these kids on here. Curly, where is your limit? You Samantha could have been your daughter. She could have been your daughter, Curly. What, Curly? Not even pick me and go, because me make sure tell you, me want for me them anytime, because there's a to be continue. And the to me one continue the hospital and the morgue. Anytime you go to a party and it has to get physical or get out of control, that's the day it done. That's the day it finish. And at your age, Curly, nobody, no in and nothing, Samantha could have be your daughter. Where you step toward for Curly? Curly, and then you sound so ridiculous about only 1 minute. Curly, in 20 seconds she could have finished you. Then Curly, you make a threat to her where you say you know which part she live. So Curly, are you going to go to the woman's house? Curly, let me tell you something. A one life you have. When it's not necessary, I am not going to tell you, say, bear in mind, you know, Curly, because I'm a pro. I'm not going to tell you, say, you are 50, so if you feel be nobody punching bag. No, you have all right to defend yourself. But Curly, you cannot go look trouble and you think of defend yourself, because you're wrong on all angles. You're wrong on all angles, Curly. When you take up battle gun out, you could have make your people them lose them spirit license. Suppose you would go take up and go out, then now Samantha now would have reached. Let's say you take it up and go out, then no can fight can't go anywhere. Samantha could have reached out for the club people and because they say you take up the buckle, the security could have sue the club. Curly, why you leave your yard for go look trouble, Curly? Why you leave your yard? Why? And you need to stop from telling lie on social media and look ridiculous. How Samantha could have known? It's not that club, because the club where you go last week go make up the disgrace where you talk up the whole heap. You think me not see them? I just me left you. You think me not see you? But that's me. Me not go come out and me tell you how I stay people. Me not be telling on everything for me for content. Last week, another club, the Curly go make up the disgrace. Curly attack some something upon Mike way. I would have my teenager picking them a club go talk that. Last week is not that club, and you never did step on the life say you go club. You never say Curly. People, let me tell you something. Whether you want to believe it or not, Curly said for life. Curly said she a pack up for move. And Curly say person where help her a Jamaica. So 10 tour in a one. Either Curly just know a person just come from Jamaica or the person that come up and Curly help buy them ticket for them come up. That means to say she know what Curly you're too damn out of order. You're damn lucky you're weak. You could have tell it to you something last night because let me tell you something say. Just you could and you would have wrong. You're too out of order, you're too careless. You really put her, you're damn lucky. So she never, you're damn lucky. So when she do wig, you should never trim you with her beer and. She stepped to the girl. Curly say. The police say all the people about the club because you know when to your Josie. Let me tell you something. I listen in disbelief. I listened in disbelief because they say nobody leave them house to go and fight. Curly, you are not a bull, you are not a game cock. Where you go? Curly go there figure video and attack the girl. How about she step to girl? Yeah, damn lucky say, but they here right now. Other party are sweet, it's a joke part. So Curly come here, Curly, and what kind of rank and what kind of belt you have? Because you say Samanta lucky you never karate her. But where this? I fight till them do we give me a club. And karate, then Curly, me never know say you're a karate expert. I never know say you're a karate expert. Curly, we have to put on one name for your name. We don't know if I go call it. We don't know if I go call it Curly. Me no want to use Andre Bangarang at all. Me no know when I come here to call you because to say I found last see me you in a club I can talk about a go on bad in a club. I know you're gone in a club. Curly nobody no got a club go fight because my pity them not got a club go fight. Not even the man when you at your play with him in thump you down. My pity them never in a brawl in a club yet. My pity them never in a brawl and no party, especially my daughter. From my daughter 15 she got party. See already touch Christmas season. Every day they got movies, they got all about. And they never come home. I say not even the one where we shoot, they never come home in a fight. And Curly, you have me put 50 to them, I give you 50. And Curly, you are 50-year-old and you gone in a club and got step. Because you said the police or the club owner say them are going to give you the ram because you go step to the girl. Curly, and you go step to her and you broke back. Curly, you're lucky see a Samanta and no one Yankee. Because if I did one Yankee and you go out there with one buckle this morning, you sure would have wake up either upon the hospital or fight for your life or you would end up in the mark because they say they would have them piece of pipe out the door and me tell you say over here in the Dutch law, the only thing if they have no license feet, them would have got jail feet, but for your life, them never did go bring up that in a court. For your life, them never did go bring up that in a court. Curly, nobody no fight that thing. Not even, Curly, what is that? Curly, them Curly, let me tell you something. Them members lonely big long time, big woman broad back, turtle back, woman over there. Curly, you know, say, at the other day, you know, somebody said to me, say, you know, say you have the worst set of support up on social media. And now, yeah, You have the worst set because, Curly, let me tell you something. I was looking in the comment section to see one of them to tell you, say, you could have been Samanta mother. You could have been the girl mother. And you go talk so you know where Samanta live. Where you know where Samanta live. So you go back over Samanta yard for go fight. Go on, Curly. This time she and her man go come out. Go on, Curly. Go on. And I like you want ball out the woman address part live. Curly, may I go tell you something and take it from me. We all know say jailhouse never make for dog. And wheat make for it. Make for me, make for you, wheat make for. But there's a time and a place for everything, and at our age, you mean me say uno like me and you, like our age, we should not come from jailhouse and I look for serve candy to a grand picnic instead of we I look for go serve hard time over things when are worth it. And when we say things when are worth it, I not talk Samantha. We're talking about foolishness. You move out, Samantha attack what she talk, and Curly, to be honest, you were the one who take it to social media first. You were the one who took it to social media. You said that you left the stove dirty on purpose. You were the one who did that, Curly. So let's be fair. You took it to social media first. And Samantha come. But Samantha, if the story was over, and to be honest, based upon people action, I know she was in the comment section. And I know 2 comment sections, somebody had screenshot her on 2 platforms. And she went over dirty panty yard. And from that, we hear nothing about Samantha. Nobody sees Samantha screenshot anything to say Samantha. So I guess Samantha had moved on. She talked, she defended herself, which is her right, because remember, you were the one who took it to social media first about not getting back deposit and this and that, and the places of root, the place had roach, and you were the one. So in all honest, Samantha, I tell you, Samantha had all right to take back to social media and defend herself. Now, if you feel like you up in your feeling and Samantha should have did come and you go see Samantha in a one club on her birthday and I go video the woman, and when you video the woman, it's not all that, but you say you step to her, I guess when she call to you, you step to her. Well, Curly, let me tell you something. You're lucky say you never step to a C-section. You're lucky say you never step to a heart surgery. Maybe Samantha remember 2 young kids and she say you not do it. Curly, make it be the last time you do something like this. Curly, people will damage you and don't get a day in jail. Because if Samantha did damage you, may I tell you the truth, Curly. Curly, if Samantha did damage you and they are jail, me would have come out here with my big mouth and come call out and say if anything, forget her out. Because they say you too out of order. You're too careless. First of all, when time you go in at the club, let me go tell you something. You have one party where you used to keep your near full, you used to keep it near full moon. So then pick me uncle, this is the joke, said to my daughter, say, I'm my son about here I had no in take a party. And I'm dragging me say, come, you need to go somewhere, because that man used to just run, pay a compute, pay a when me and tablet and sit in game and so I say, come, time for you go out. So my daughter go buy her ticket. Him now, because they want to keep a island now for everybody. Him now, give me daughter money and say buy and say, my daughter, they go. So To be honest, because I don't really like that something that just buy kaya. Any little thing with active in that me 30, me King's Day also. So when in dress now we know man. Dress man say when all pops and my daughter going there no my all pops say no. Him was the alive till I was dead. All pop and him was about 55 but you know go but all pops say all pops say a picnic party that all pops say him not turn it. Me say the man come and say where you come back. The man say look here. I don't think a 30 year, I think it was 55 or 58. Him say don't think one somebody, him say not even the DJ. Him say never feel, me say man come back home cause the one Alan, everybody go. So him think now, so him a come here now, so him come now for vacation and it wasn't at the time. Me say pops come right out back tell my daughter, say look here man. When time you done, we come pick you up in here so enough for me. Curly friend, you go in at the club and you see say morning, good morning, happy Monday to you all. For you go in at the club and you see say Samanta, cause Samantha, and I think you said Samantha must be 20 something. And you say, Curly leave. Curly, if you see Samantha, you feel irritated, you leave. If you see Samantha, you feel irritated and you feel, come out. When you go on there video and a step to girl for. So when you did step to Samantha, she buck you down. And she come up near to you because she de-wig you there. De-wig you. You're damn lucky when time she de-wig you, she never trim you with her beer running at the club. But after 1 minute, you know how much punch can turn in, you know how much punch and kick can throw in a 60 seconds. What a disgrace. Anyhow guys, hold on please and thanks. Please, me beg you there. Since you come here for the fight and the bang around, me I beg you please. And them people them a fight for stuff, them a fight for survive and fight to them like a business. So me I beg you please, and you know say me I fight for family like a $1. Please and thanks. I'm gonna ask you please to support Power Up Life. Subscribe to it. It's a YouTube channel for fitness. Power Up Life with Shelly Bling. Ladies, you know we have to take care of ourselves first when we're going up into age. Support Family St. Danique Healthcare Boutique, key rings, watch cups. Please support her. Don't forget Stush Boutiques, people. Please support Stush Boutique for your glasses, your handbag, your dresses. And so Dimes Fashion, 2 Dimes. I said Dimes make a nice wig the other day. Ladies will have no wig where I go and Miss D. Well, Dimes must have some ready-made wig there. Please support for buying a wig for God Miss D event. Or when a Friday or Saturday. Some not are the Sunday. Oh no, I hope not buy no ticket for Miss D. From who know who me call Miss D, me call her Big D. Miss D, we talking the great Dana. Chef Noel Cunningham is there. Remember Thanksgiving people in America. Order on a cake from Chef Noel because Chef Noel is somebody him can go, you know him have to travel. So order on a cake where him can put out him order on a Christmas cake also. Don't forget to Christy at Jamaica go buy him rum and him Cyril and Carop. I see you my Meadowbrook school. What a week. I say every day Chris I get look younger and younger and time Chris traveling. I see the picture, you know, I see this. I say, you know, say Chris will put up one throwback. When me look me here, the man saying they are Jamaica. But if on the picture, what a way Chris look young. Chris don't look like unlucky. Chris don't even look like him in a near 50. And Chris I take care of Chris a man unlucky. You see there? You gotta fight while Chris step on vacation. Don't forget people, Rosalie Whittingham James is looking for some membership from $1.99. Please do not can pay Rosalie membership as not tied that pastor not to beat on and bite on in a church. RJ Sharp Vlogs is looking for some watch hours to and some membership and guide. Remember me telling you again. Last but not least, don't forget IMO Kitchen. Because IMO Kitchen is a very good supporter. Very, very good supporter. No bangarang. please me I beg on because you know say December him give back to the less fortunate in Canada, nice clean food, and I open and support Auntie Rose Cheesecake. Please me I beg on buy on a cheesecake from Rose. Please me telling us I hear everybody say it's the best cheesecake them ever eat. Please buy on a cheesecake from Rose. I don't know if Rose I go we over Miami, cause you know so these days I don't know dime so she going. I don't know if Rose are going so you know order on a cheesecake and make Rose make it for no. Remember Rose make good cheesecake. Please support Rose. We know it's a Rose, you know it's a Rose not in a day, you know Rose I am. You know to be honest, let me tell you something. No disrespect, I may say it. You know, so look at the Canadian people have a different kind of temper. I'm not gonna say mentality, I'm not gonna be disrespectful. Different kind of temper. Cause when you look at the Canadian people, you look at Rose, Nanelin, Noel, IMO, no bangarang. No bangarang. The Canadian people them now give no trouble, them now cuss, them now, you know, no bangarang. Easy, everybody doing them own thing. You know, see no nanelina come out, come attack. You know, see no they have a different side or culture to them. The only thing that I realize them love eat. Maybe them eat them temper. Hey, I'll know me can't me say me just look for Auntie Rose. Oh, Auntie Rose go and enjoy for herself at our meet and greet over the meet. Hey, I'll know me still attack oh Rose steal the show, you know man. Me say Rose no me not me, you know, me say Rose I like she live in New York. Rose dance, Rose me say if them need to give back a refund, a Rose would have to pay. Rose Rose me say Rose enjoy herself like them eat them well cause them ever love food. I notice the Canadian people them love them food. Them love them food. Cause when Auntie Rose get up in the morning, you know, Auntie Rose look like she be and say for her prayers. And as you know say and get ready, you know. It look like the Auntie Rose that should be and make up for her bed and say for her prayers and fresh up and tell God thanks. The next thing at the stove. It look like the Canadian people and they eat them temper away because them don't make no trouble. No, seriously, them don't make no trouble. All the mischievous one them over there and you can see with him young. And Chef Noel, you know, look up beside, you know, see comment they make. Same one forget Ione or Ione. Ione or Lane Mouth Award. Whoa. No, serious to look at the culture there, no problem. No problem. You not see them attack. The only mischievous one we have over there Noel. And immigrate out. Noel will great out. He will great out. Noel young, still young, he will great out. He must great out by the time he reach 40. He will great out. Then time that the baby with the little boy, he have to go carry the little boy. Only Noel one little bit mischievous about him 1 year. Why Ione Lane Mouth Award. I put not see comment. Him want give Ione Lane Mouth Award for our brave if he stand up to the pastor. Yeah man. Rose a good girl man. Nanelin to Nanelin can dance to man. Nanelin a Raytown girl man, a Raytown girl. Miss Princess too. Look at Miss Princess. You nasty Miss Princess in a bangarang. It look like I don't know if it's the quiet one them so lucky figure America because seriously Miss Princess, Nanelin, you nasty them. It's the only mischievous one a Chef Noel and him will grow. Noel soon grow out. He soon grow out. Kind young. In young, I you know film kind of mischief them have to make mischief in the comment section. In a really thing there, but really you know so when him if he do him work, but him are the only one, but you not see them, you not hear Miss Princess no bangarang nothing. None of them. The Canadian people have a different. As when me say, me don't know because I notice that them like to eat. I notice that the whole of them like to eat. The whole of them like to eat. Because we see Auntie Rose. When she Auntie Rose, we see Dadeline with our restaurant. We see them like to eat. I notice that the only place when time Chris go over there and Miss D then have to wait for food. They look something enough for them temper them eat away. You know, see those can be not tell a lie. Them have a different culture, different temper. Different, all of them, you know, see them across them one another, you know, see nobody a go against them one another, you know, see nobody a come out and a throw a word pan them one another. Them have a different look pan them over there, different, you know, see nobody a fight against nobody. Me don't know how I'm to America. I don't know. I don't know because over Canada you know see it. You know see Nanalina come out. You see when time anything award and Nanalina Rose you see no hard feelings. No hard feelings. You know see them a come out per IMO. You know see nothing. Everybody do them own thing. Mighty God, I wish the American men coulda. I wish Tina Chin coulda take a page out of them book of Marcia. You can't take a page out of the Canadian people in book. Tina Chin, you can't look over Canada and see where I go on. You ever see Rosa come out come attack Nanalyn? You see them attack, you know see how the whole of them live. Everybody do them own thing. And you know see anywhere you see you know see she Rose go them meet up then down. You know see no hard feeling. And nobody you know see Nanalyn attack Rose and say he have him business place and Rose there in yard. You never hear Nanalyn come out. And you never hear Rose come out and come a ball out and sitting everybody Rose a do a cheesecake then so Rose cheesecake are the best. Nobody no come out. You never see Nanalyn come out come say this no this that because say in all honest everybody said Rose cheesecake is the best them ever had. All of the people them over the award that tell me we're going to meet that the Rose cheesecake is good. And she says bake, she bake it because I did ask her. She say I bake, she bake. So please people for Canada, who no bother on a cheesecake from Rose. Because you don't know if when Christmas come, Rose are going to be no cheesecake. Rose gonna want to go dance and eat. Because so when Rose enjoy for herself, Rose enjoy for herself. Always decent and laid back. Tina, you must share. You know, share when you see how the Canadian people and mentality. Me share, me not tell a lie. Because you don't see nobody make no trouble. You don't, the one somebody did over there make trouble. What name? The tired one, the curly friend, Simone. Simone was the only vagabond over there, and I guess she realized them don't do it there, and I can't have seen her Curly's stepdaughter. Because Curly said she used to do with her father, the one that got brighter and said for Miss Richie and something. She was the only vagabond over there. You know somebody get trouble in Canada. But back to Curly now, my love. But so a Curly flight because me a try by the time if you dry it don't get up and thing let me see how the kick fly. So a Curly kick Samanta, Curly fly a kick off of Samanta. Who watch the video? Who watch what go on? I said, oh no watch it. No, listen when Curly attack like cause a kick fly. Cause then so the fight go on, she say only 1 minute what a fight, but I know Samanta deal with her. I'm lucky Samanta never trim her with her beer and it look like when time Samanta deal with Samanta flash her head like she do the dirty wine and Samanta we flash off too. Cause I know Curly deal with Samanta. Cause if Curly did deal with Samanta should have said it. And it look like say when time Samanta wig Samanta flash off hair wig swing head like him and do the dirty wine. Our theme wig flash off, it look like Samanta ear never in a such of a nice order. Based upon what came say Curly say fair here in a order. So Curly girl, all of me know them for ban you can't go back in the club. Me know you, I think fighting a 1 year. Cause you by right, you not draw no blood. So fighting out a 1 year. And if they want then can disband you to where you have to go take them to court because they say you could have make people them lose them spirit lives because the way they come out, boy, you come out come broke back. What a dirty careless life, 50-year-old woman. Then them deal with Curly, Samanta deal with her. She tell it a Curly more a Curly 2 life them if you listen. Samanta deal with her. And you can't say like Curly frightened, Curly turn like one little pitney. Samanta deal with her. But it look like when Samanta deal with her now the way Samanta lose it, Samanta flash her head like Samanta do the dirty wine. Cause yeah, Samanta flash her head and Samanta flash her far wig. But unfortunately, but Samanta that I know nothing. That and nothing. Enjoy you go fi enjoy yourself and you're here underneath it. That and nothing, Samantha. We still love you same way. And I think me have to go ask. I wonder if Noel want give her award for the from the lane mouth for know say you stand up to her. You never because herself. Even though she all that, you know say Curly could have been Samantha mother do. And it's about age. You come to fight you, Samantha, you defend yourself. You defend yourself, Samantha, and that's the bravery you did. Afraid when she stepped to you, you defend yourself. Thank God for that because for Curly feel like so she can't fight everybody. Me here says sour panty. Cause me say him come like them. Oh hey yeah, some people probably me tell us them love them can them me nina get up, my love. Me nina get up. Me here say panty must either play it or say him have the video. So me here can me now look for a film page. What? I sweet test joke behavior get me say. All me get up this morning, me I say at the part where he say where Curly say she so in that way me know say a Curly fly the kick. Cause me know say a kick fly. And Curly say she lucky me never karate. So I want to know what kind of belt Curly have. If a black belt, why is she just go now and learn? Cause Curly says the girl lucky she never karate her. But Curly, if you're a karate expert like that, you don't need a broken back, mama. Alright, she said she have 51, me I take her 50 or 5 because Curly is not 51. Curly had said when she got pregnant and when I put CJ age, Curly said she got pregnant with CJ at 29-year-old. CJ was 24, I count it. Count 29 and 24 for me and see how much I get. Count 29 and 24 for me and see how much I get. And I'm not going to call him name because he said the person. And Curly had served a blogger. I sees something because she had came out first and live and talk. And the blogger came out and live. And I know the blogger, can be. Curly said she got pregnant when CJ was 24, so she got pregnant with CJ at 29. How old will that be? And that was in last year because I draw up already about it. How old could that be? The blogger that Curly had sent the letter or the cease and desist whatsoever because she said she get liar writing. She never say a cease and desist because Curly was the one that came on her platform and said the man over the fence he can't call her name, he can call her name. Then the blogger in question came out and said, but I know that blogger too is mischievous. As how the blogger said Curly is 63. Curly, so if Curly says she got pregnant at 29 and then her son is 24, how old would that be? Yeah, the fingernail break, the fingernail broke in at two. Broken at two. No, that at, no, that at. But let we go back there. Samantha, because Samantha, but Curly fly a kick. Now Samantha, I can imagine, because with a kick that were Curly fly, if it catch Samantha, that sound like maybe Samantha need to go take her extra at the hospital, because to say me say Curly foot them and Curly foot them look tough. So you know say I would have like a donkey kick so poor Samantha. But Samantha, no worry about that, Samantha. We are give you the winnings because they say you defend yourself well. And I like that with you. You defended yourself well, Samantha. I like your strong black woman. But stand up and defend yourself with your arm. Defend yourself to this vagabond, because whatsoever happened, I say it already and I'm going to say it again. Curly was the one that took it to social media. Samantha had all right. This is why I not take me a take off for Samantha. After Samantha came out and clear her name, no. People are going to say she go on platform. She entitled to go on any platform she want. As long as she does not go over there and disgrace and scandal Curly. And even that Curly is. And her is not a talking term. So you have to be so. Samantha never continue with the argument. So definitely you can know for Samantha, she only came out to defend herself. Screenshot it and send it come give me the broken. Now one me not which part you put it on, cause you me what me listen to it on you part you put it on. But you depend, oh my God, you must be fair. Curly said the people them say Curly should not step to the woman. You do not start a fight if you do not show you're going to win a fight. Why would you go to a club to go fight? I'm gonna tell you something. Remember Curly and this girl, you know, they met on social media and something. Curly could have sit down and remember say it's the girl birthday. Me I gotta tell you something. I based on my experience with Curly. Curly could have sit down and know say Samantha, because yesterday was Samantha's birthday. Or maybe today, you never know, maybe today Samantha say, because you know say people know them a go club between yesterday and tomorrow, but it's Samantha's birthday whatsoever. Curly could have know say I don't let Samantha go. You hear me tell you, and Curly go down there. So I don't know what Curly has said Samantha got the club go wait for her lie. Curly go all year. Somebody go all call Curly and say then see Samantha in the club and Curly get up. Because Curly never say Curly I go nowhere yesterday. That's why I know say Curly a liar when Curly say Curly going to the club. Somebody go to see Curly. Go to see Samantha in the club and call Curly and tell Curly I send Curly message say Samantha and Curly go down there. Curly go down at that club for fight. Curly went down there because Curly said then said she shouldn't step to Samantha. Well, she could on never step to Samantha. And Samantha wasn't having none of it. Curly go right down there. Either Curly knows see the girl birthday, Curly knows the girl go there. Or somebody call Curly and innocently go to say Samantha there. Curly go down there. Curly go down there. Curly go for step to somebody. You're lucky you never step and when you check and start them have to wheel you to the intensive care or wheel you to the morgue. Oh. Wanna see what did happen to the woman? In 2 minutes. And the woman was on the ground. Two minutes. Hold on there. Let me see what I want to Curly said. Read out. Hold on, let me see it. Let me see if I can wait there. Let me see if I can get it back so. Hold on, people. Mama tell us something. And that's why I tell us to them big stinking liar suck old members lonely lick out batty dirty woman there, them are wicked because there's no way nobody could blame Curly and Samantha situation on social media. No way. Curly sublet this house from Samantha. Curly get the living job. Move out and don't tell Samantha left the stove dirty and Samantha don't give her back her deposit. Because if me get up, me have 2 month deposit in this. And if me get up tomorrow morning and move out, there's no way me can ask this woman for deposit. Me could have carried her here come me see, me could have carried him go down at the courthouse. Climb up in 20 me now and get it back. There's no way. Worse if she make the house stay 2 months empty. Worse if that woman make the house stay 2 months empty. Me nah get it back. I me not tell her. So Samantha don't give back to the people them to at them me say. I want there somebody say Curly now have no supporter. Where you go call? Oh Dana Samantha, Dana this to have nothing to do with social media. This don't have nothing to do with social